Welcome again in a new video. Brothers, I want to discuss something I forgot to tell you in the previous video, okay, about Python programming. Now I'm working from my flash memory now, so let's open this is my flash memory. I'll open the ISO inside this folder, right click, okay, to mount as another partition. This is the complete ISO. This is 4 gigabytes. So I'll choose, for example, H. Okay, I'll mount this ISO as H. Then it's already mounted here or there. This is H. Okay, I'll mount again. The mounted is H. I'll go inside H like this. So I'll mount this Python program, Python to I. Okay, it's nice. Now it's everything is okay. So right click, install Python. So this is the same like before, but there is only one thing is missing here. So let's check if Python already installed or not. Oh yes, new Python file already here. So everything is okay. So I forgot to tell you now the Python integration with the command prompt. I think all the programmer and the professional programmers, they always using command prompt to run Python. So if we run Python like this from command prompt, so I'll try to run it Python. I'll write Python like this. So press enter. See, this program is not recognized as internal or external command, operable program or batch file. It means Python is not integrated, full integration, not full integrated with this system, despite you already have everything I added with you. But this video is especially for the professional users or professional programmer. Okay, the old programmer or professional programmer, I created this video for them. Okay, let's say how to integrate this. When I write Python here, how to make full integration for Python. Now Python is not working. Okay, so I'll tell you, this is a technical things I have to tell you about it. Okay, just to make full integration for all of this one, just right click to my computer with this PC, properties. Inside this properties, I'll go to advanced system settings. Advanced system settings, I'll go to advanced. Inside advanced, I'll go to environment variables. So at the downer side, I have to add the location for the Python program. Now it's already known as partition I. Okay, so I'll add here from this down new. So from here I browse or directory, I'll choose browse directory. Where is this directory? I'll browse for this directory for the Python location. This is the Python location. Okay, so I'll choose it like this, then press OK. So and I'll create also the name is I. Okay, copy the name and paste it there, then I press OK. There is another additional here. So from new, I'll click new again. I'll go to variable name and browse for file or browse for directory. So I'll choose directory. From here, I'll go to this PC. So I'll go to inside the Python location. Then I'll choose scripts. Okay, scripts is missing here. So I'll add scripts. So I'll name the same. Right click, copy. I'll paste it here. So I'll click OK. So then OK, everything is now is very good and nice for the old programmer to be able to run Python from command prompt. So right click on the command prompt. So open command prompt right now. So try to write Python. It will give you full installation for this Python. See Python 3.10, and this is the full details for this Python. So now Python already integrated with command prompt. This is for professional users. So now this video is only for that. So thank you very much for watching, and goodbye right now, and see you later.